Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this one, we are gonna compare two different mics with each other. The DJI Mic Mini 2 and the DJI Mic 2. Right now, I'm recording this audio with the DJI Mic Mini 2, which is beautiful for that. It's crisp, it's sound. You will need nothing more for capturing voice audio or different audio with the Mini. Well, having said that, for motor vlogging and getting that smooth engine raw sound, the pops, the bangs, the screams, the Mic Mini 2 doesn't handle the job as good as the DJI Mic 2. Here are two footages, watch for yourself and guess which one is the Mic 2 and which one is the Mini. One thing will give it away, that's the amount of wind noise coming in. Well, now as you have seen for yourself, clearly the Mic 2 wins it from the Mini. There are a lot of reasons why it does this, but that doesn't mean that the Mic Mini is that of a bad mic. It is definitely not a bad mic because it captures all of that audio that you want for different purposes very nicely. But for engine sound, all of that beautiful laughing, screaming triple cylinder of Yamaha, the 900. Oh boy, I just want to get out there, grab the bike and start riding again. Maybe I'm gonna do in a bit, but enjoy the rest of the video. I'm riding with the bike. All of that audio is captured with the Mic 2 and the placement is under the seat, which in my opinion is the best placement to put it at. So enjoy the rest of the video. If you like this content, if you want to see more cinematic rides of me, having my audio figured out, having my footage figured out, like and subscribe for more cinematic rides on the XSR900 out 2026. A beautiful machine. I'm loving it a lot and I'm doing a review soon. Please don't sleep on the triple cylinders of Yamaha, the 09s. Peace.